Here I have Huawei P9 Lite 2017 and let me show you how to check IMEI number and the serial number on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen. Let's use the phone's icon and let's use the following secret code *#06#. As you can see, the IMEI number and also the serial number just pops up. Tap OK to close this window, and now let me show you the second way of checking those information. Let's use the apps icon, here find and select the settings, scroll down and choose system. Now let's choose here about phone, and here you can find the IMEI information right here, and also you can here choose status, and here you can get access to your serial number. So that's it, everything went well, thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.